today I'm going to be showing you what me and my sister got for fidgets. So, we got like not a lot of stuff, but we still got a lot of stuff, and not that much. But I'm going to get more, and I hope my sister does too. My sister's getting into fidgets right now, so I'm pretty happy about that. Also, I'll tell you what I got when she got. Anyway, see? And I got it from Shein, so I'll do a haul. Do that. So yeah. But before I get started, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's go. So I have it on my iPad right here. So she ordered this fidget spinner little puppet thing. Okay, and yeah. And then she also ordered this one-piece simple dimple, and it comes with one. I also ordered one of those maybe like a month ago, or maybe, okay, and it came out like this. Next I got a snapper. It says, looks like one would work. So yeah, I got this, pretty cool. Then she got this cloud puppet. It's pretty cute, and it's pink, and like a really light shade of pink. Yeah. And then I got these puzzle puppets. It's one set, so it comes with all of these. So, and the colors are green, red, and yellow. So yeah, and I think you can actually connect them. Yeah. Next she got this puppet, one-piece shape puppet. It's a popsicle, and pink, yellow, and blue, and tan for the stick. So yeah, she got that. Next, I got these fidget spinner triple dimples, and they're pretty nice. Yeah. And then I got these dimple digits. One piece. This is one piece too. This one piece. And it has like a pattern. So, and it's gonna be my first dimple digits ever. I already have a dimple and a single dimple, but yeah, that's what we got. I'm gonna show you guys my dimples. And I'm planning on getting more dimples, because dimples and singles are really cool. And got almost my dimple. And so yeah, definitely recommend. This is from Amazon. This was from Shein. Pretty awesome.